Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Raxaul, as you would have seen in the last video, on the border of India and Nepal. Now I've got a few things I have to do today. I have to find somewhere I can buy some US currency. I need 50 US for my Nepali visa, which I didn't have last time, if you remember. So just lucky there was a backpacker there that paid for me. And I want to have a haircut because I've noticed when I was editing the last video I'm looking like a scruff, and I'm going to get a new back tyre on Libby today. So my friends at the pizza shop at Pizza Party Cafe, they're going to take me to their friends that run a bike shop. I'm getting a new back tyre on her. The old back tyre probably have another 3 or 4 weeks left on it, but better to be safe than sorry. I'm going onto those Nepalese roads that we already know are terrible, and we'll I'm pretty sure tyres will be a lot more expensive in Malaysia, so I may as well get it done now. I don't have to worry about it. The front tyre's fine because all the weight's been on the back tyre. And anyway, I'm waffling. Right now I'm looking for a bank so I can try and get a $50 US. Well guys, I was just asking these guys, can they give me a haircut? And he laughed and he pointed up there. There's already a Mad Dog sticker on the window, so I was here last time. So let's get cleaned up because I am looking very scruffy. And once again, like a new man. I should get haircuts more often. Last year, the guys, those of you who followed me through Malaysia, Indonesia, everything, the Bali to Manila trip, you remember I got haircuts all the time, but that was kind of time to kill a bit of time because they'd I was waiting for buses and things, but here I can just jump on the motorbike and do stuff, so actually stopping and getting a haircut's a chore. I'm being sent from pillar to post, guys, really. No idea where I'm going. And getting a straight answer out of anyone in this country is not easy. So I don't know if I'm going to the right place. And I was just showing my friend at the pizza shop the TV interview in Pakistan. He's just rung one of his friends, and now we've got reporters coming to, so I'm going on another TV program in Raxaul in India.
Yeah, total 3 reporters are coming from 3 different channels.
Oh, 3 reporters from 3 channels. Wow. Pizza Party Cafe. And my other friend from the pizza shop, he owns this 99 rupee shop. Everything in here is 99 rupees, which is about $2 Australian, maybe $1.40 US. So everything you can see in here, and as you can see, it's a very, very popular shop. This is the boss here. A bit shy on camera, but yeah, you can see it's a very, very popular place to come shopping. Look, shoes, underwear, saris, everything you could want for 99 rupees. Well guys, we're all loaded up, ready to go. I got less done than I hoped. As you can see, the back tyre's getting a bit, needs a new back tyre, but I can get that done in Malaysia, so there's not really that much miles. They couldn't find a tyre here because, as you can see, there's no bikes like this one anywhere in this part of the world. But anyway guys, I'm going to head up to the customs. I'm not allowed to film at customs, we already know that. We've crossed here twice, well, once each direction. But let's go to Nepal. I probably should get some breakfast because it's going to be a while at the border. But you know me, I get excited. So the guy that, the customs boss won't even be there yet. We already know that from last time. Well, let's hope he is there. We can get straight across. But we'll have some momos for breakfast in Nepal. Fried chicken momos. Delicious. I was walking yesterday looking for dollars. There was a traffic probably won't even be there. Have to wait for him to get out of bed. And I just heard a train whistle, so yes, it is a train crossing. This young bloke here has been chatting with me on his brand new Hero. Very nice. And YouTube channel. So you will be on my YouTube here.
Okay. Are you from YouTube?
Yes.
Are you making video on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're maybe 2-3 minutes since the bars opened, the level crossing, and we haven't moved, because as you can see, everyone's filled up both sides of the road, and on the other side of the tracks they filled up both sides of the road as well. And guys, I know I complain about this a lot, but it really annoys me. With these selfish, still people filling up that bit so no one can get past. We're all stuck here. And it's not making it any easier for them either. And guys, if you remember when I came back into India from Nepal, I went over this road, this footbridge here. Made no difference though, because the traffic's on either side. So I'm not going to bother this time. They won't let me film here, but that's immigration just there, and customs just to the left here where I'm going to park where these bikes are. So, you get your passport stamp there, you get your carnet stamp here. 5 minutes on the other side of the border. It's going to take me forever here. Anyway guys, it can't be helped. Oh my god guys, getting anything done in India. It's about 11 o'clock, I got there about 9:30. Anyway, we're out of there now, into Nepal. If you remember last time we came into Nepal, I was so excited because I was riding into the Himalayas. This is the foothills we're heading into now. Now I've been into the heart of the Himalayas pretty much, and I know what the roads are ahead of me today, so I'm not so excited. Well, we're back into the Nepalese mountain roads. Beautiful Nepal. Namaste! Definitely living up to my memory of it. Last hour, maybe an hour getting through creek crossings and things. I think the main road must have been washed away or something. Guys, I'd forgotten how bad these roads were, but it's all right. I'm having fun, having a lot of fun. Done about maybe 2 Google Maps hours since the border. Yeah, that screw around at the Indian side really mucked up my day. I've still got 3.5 hours to go to Kathmandu. But like I said before, guys, I'm not booked in till tomorrow. But there's not much in between. I remember there's not much in between here and maybe an hour out of Kathmandu. So where I stayed last time, that's where I'm heading for today. Nice little hotel in the hills. But that is, if I remember right, at least 2 hours Google Maps more from here. So anyway, guys, I'm going to finish another sugary drink, but I needed the energy. And finish that, get some more miles up. There's 3 times I've stopped at that little drink spot. Oh. I really had forgotten how bad these roads are, but this is fun, guys, fun. Now, last time we couldn't see anything, it was so cloudy. But now we can see the snow-capped mountains there. So hopefully from our hotel in Kathmandu, the grand view, we'll be able to see heaps. We might even go up back to that cable car, see it without the clouds. Wow, guys, when we came last time, that was just all clouds. You couldn't see anything. Just incredible. We're doing some roadworks up there. They sent me this way. Said this is a diversion, sir, but only vehicle I've seen on here. But we're heading in the right direction. So as long as you're heading in the right direction, all roads lead to somewhere. Morning, guys. This is where I stayed. This is where I stayed last time as well. The Prashida Resort. We're about an hour from Kathmandu, an hour from the airport. My hotel's right next to the airport. We're all loaded up, ready to go. It's quite late, maybe 10 o'clock, but I did that on purpose. I don't want to be arriving at my hotel before my room's ready. But that'll be in the next video. I'm organising to get her put on a plane to Kuala Lumpur. I'd like to go to Bangkok, but my niece is going to be in KL in a week. So hopefully I can be there. She's there for 10 days. So hopefully I'll be there when she's there. That's the plan. And the guy at the freight company seems to think that's very possible. So let's go. Here we go, guys, back to Kathmandu. Traffic here's a lot better than India. People are a lot friendlier. I'm happy to be back. My friend Vikas from Himalaya in Manali, he's just been in Nepal and he was complaining about the traffic, but I don't know what he's talking about. This has got nothing like India. Absolutely nothing. I seen this yesterday, but the footage wasn't very clear, so I didn't put it in the video. The last time I was here was monsoon season, so I didn't see tourists. But now, everywhere I look, white skin. Most of them wearing shitty clothes and dreadlocks. Well, we made it. Back at the Grandview Hotel. Kathmandu. All the mountains across here. You can see the mountains in between the buildings here, but the pollution kicks in the afternoon. I'll show you in the next video in the morning. I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.